Students, if you have any doubts regarding the previous class, previous class कुछ doubts रहेगा तो please ask me right now. So those who are practicing the commands, and if you have any doubts, please ask me right now. If you don't have the doubts, then I will continue my lecture just for just 2 3 minutes. If you have any doubts, I will clarify. After that, I will continue my lecture. Basically, we are discussed previously how to create a primary key at a attribute level. At a attribute level means for one attribute, if you want to make a primary key, so we see that today we discuss how the primary key is going to set at a table level. टेबल लेवल में हम प्राइमरी कीज कैसे सेट करना है. ओके, सो आज हम देखेंगे. एंड कॉलम्स, नया कॉलम्स एग्जिस्टिंग टेबल में नया कॉलम्स कैसे ऐड करना है वो भी देखेंगे. और कॉलम्स को कैसे डिलीट करना है, मॉडिफाई कैसे करना है, डेटा डेटा टाइप को कैसे मॉडिफाई करना है. एंड इफ यू हैव द टाइम वी विल सी द फॉरेन की आल्सो. So these are the very very important things where if you want to work on the database in future, so these things must be know. Otherwise, otherwise it is very difficult to work on the databases. So how to create table, how to add a new column, how to update new attribute, and how to delete the column, how to assign an primary key, how to delete the primary keys, all these integrity constraints. So you have to know, otherwise so it is difficult for working on the databases. And I would like to share one thing to you. So maybe from next week onwards, or maybe from okay, next class onwards, we are going to conducting on a Microsoft team. As all of you know that you have already created an account, but some small technical issues are there. Like some students are entered the old roll numbers according to that I created, but new roll numbers are not updated. So that's why some accounts they have with the old roll numbers. So that the things I am updating. So if you anybody have uh, if anybody have the doubts regarding to the Microsoft team, please you can message in on the chat box, or you can message me on the WhatsApp, or maybe in the Telegram group, so that I will try to solve your problems. Already I send a mail to all the email IDs and check your roll number and name, because of if the roll number is are there, then definitely you will have the different username. So that's why everybody please check it your side, and let me know the what are the changes you required on that. So the according to that I will change the account. uh, okay, that's all. And one more thing is, you just keep on practicing the commands what I am saying. Otherwise if you are not practicing the commands, it is difficult for yes, Telegram chat box disable है, but you know you can send a message personally. Okay, because as for management guidelines, that chat box Telegram group is not given permission for students to send a message. Not even faculty also. Only HODs right now and principal. Only he can enter the messages. He can post the messages, and afterwards, so if permission is came, then from the principal sir or management, then definitely it is open to all of you discussing everything on the that group. So that group is basically for all KJ students and as well as faculty. For just common sharing के लिए common messages कुछ भी अगर रहेगा तो sharing के लिए. So that's why that is and everybody have to join in that group. Okay, in future, so the changes or maybe notifications or whatever the some important any emergency messages will be shared on that group only, so that you can always be in the active state. Okay, so because we communication gap आ रहा है. मैं अगर कॉलेज से कुछ मैसेज जाना है तो सब कुछ सबको मैसेज नहीं जा रहा है. So for that purpose only that group is created. So because of that communication gap. Okay. So that's why everybody have to voluntarily have to join on the group, and you will get the updates. Okay, that's all. Okay, let's we start today's lecture. If you have any doubts still, you can ask right now, so that we will see that. Okay, doubts, your doubts. Okay, so previous lecture we seen that. So what is primary key and how that primary key is assigned. Okay, so in the attribute, but that primary key basically sometimes the primary key it is not only belongs to the one attribute. You remember this. Primary key is not belong to the one attribute. It also contains two attributes, three attributes. Okay, or maybe it contains four, five. Means multiple attributes को भी हम primary key बना सकता है. Okay, let us take for example insurance. Suppose insurance है. इंश्योरेंस कंपनी डेटाबेसेस में कैसे रहता है. So multiple times one vehicle will claim the insurances. So in that case तो हम क्या ले सकते हैं. सपोज हम गाड़ी का नंबर लिया तो मल्टीपल टाइम्स इंश्योरेंस में आता है तो गाड़ी दो दो तीन बार इंश्योरेंस के लिए गया तो डुप्लीकेट हो जाता है ना इंश्योरेंस रजिस्टर्ड नंबर का. सो इन दैट केस रजिस्टर्ड गाड़ी नंबर हम यूनिक की नहीं ले सकते हैं. ओके, वी कैन नॉट एबल टू अप्लाई सम. ओके, सो गाड़ी द vehicle number we cannot make as a primary key. So in that case we have to make you need to add some more attributes. Okay, to make unique values, uniquely identification के लिए. Okay, so the data of application or maybe something you have to add on that, so that we can easily identify that particular an entity. Okay, suppose if you want to identify claim number, for example claim. Okay, claim आज का claim क्या है मतलब ऐसे गाड़ी का नंबर लेना पड़ेगा, गाड़ी नंबर लेके और डेटा लेना पड़ेगा. तो अगर लिया तो ऑटोमेटिकली वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट दैट इट इज यूनिक. Okay, just for day, if you just taking the date is it not contains unique, and as well as the if you take the vehicle number it will also not contains the unique. So because multiple times the vehicle will get claims the insurance, so in that case a date should be added, or maybe you can need to we can also add some more any attributes which is suitable for making the so unique values. So like this the primary key some cases the primary key it is also need to apply for the more than one attribute. So in that case, so how can we apply primary key So in that case, okay. So for that we have to use primary key function. So by using that primary key function, we can do all these things. Okay. So we will see that. First, in order to see that, you just see the screen. Just log in into that. Just we have to connect to the database. The database what we have created previously. It is a KJCOEMR and enter. Okay. Now the database is changed. Okay. Now we will see that list of tables. So how can we see the list of tables? So what is the command? Command for list of tables, it is show tables. Okay, it is not getting show tables. Okay, so now this is showing the two tables. Okay, so now you can, if you see that student table, DESC student. ओके, इसमें प्राइमरी की नहीं है. ओके, इसमें प्राइमरी की नहीं है. इफ यू सी दैट एग्जाम टेबल, if you see that exam table, this exam table we have primary key. Okay, you see this is primary key. Which attribute I am given? Roll number. For roll number I am given primary key. Only one attribute I am given primary key. But in that some cases we need to give the primary key for two or three attributes, more than one attribute. So in that का हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? So for that you have to create a table. So just we will see some example. So just by creating one more table. So table, create table. So let us take the table is some ABC table. You can take anything. Okay? Just I am taking this A attribute. It is integer space integer I am taking, and some B attribute I want to take it as where char 30, and I would like to take some more attributes. C attribute, and it is defined as date attribute, and the next is some D attribute I would like to take. It is integer again. Okay, so and next comma. Okay, that's all. So let us take one simple table which contains four columns. A column is A, column B, column C, and column D, and which contains the attribute domains as which is defined as integer, varchar, and date and integer. So now, suppose if it is a attribute level of primary key, just we have to okay. So type the primary key after immediately after the domain. Okay, integer है, integer domain के बाद स्पेस देना है, प्राइमरी की टाइप करके डी, सिर्फ डी को हम प्राइमरी की बना सकते हैं. But so now I would like to make B and C. I want to make B and C, both these two columns as primary key. Okay, but how can I make these two columns as a primary key? So इसके लिए primary key function use करना पड़ता है. So what is that function? Is primary space key space and O bracket. Okay, see the syntax. So see the syntax. First is once again I will repeat this. Somebody will get confused. Create. Okay, इसके बाद table, create table, and table name is ABC. So in this table, I want to take 4 columns. I would like to take 4 columns. Is column A, column B, column C, column D. Okay. So after defining the each attribute, I am given the semicolon. Okay. So that the 4 attributes are defined like that. Now I would like to take B attribute. I would so I would like to take B attribute and C attribute. Both attributes I want to make as a primary key. Okay. So means multiple attributes. आपको B and C नहीं है. Suppose आप B, C, D भी ले सकता है ना तो C, D भी ले सकता है. Or some you can take A, C भी ले सकता है. Okay. So these two attributes or maybe multiple attributes we can make it as a primary key. So whatever the attributes you are decided to make the primary key, so that attributes you have to type here. Okay, B attribute, comma, and C attribute. Okay, so like this you have to write down, just to write down the names itself. Okay, so need not to mention its domain, need not to mention some any other conditions. That's all. Simple. So after giving the comma last at the last, after defining the all attributes, okay, after defining the all attributes in the table, so we have to mention the primary key. So this type of defining the primary key is called as a table level primary key. टेबल लेवल प्राइमरी की लेवल प्राइमरी की क्या रहता है, सिंगल एट्रीब्यूट को हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. सो लाइक हम प्रीवियसली देखा है हमने. सो रोल नंबर इसको डोमेन डिफाइन के बाद इमीडिएटली हम प्राइमरी की जस्ट वर्ड यूज किया. सो दैट इज एट प्राइमरी की लेवल, okay, attribute level. But in this, after defining all attributes, we are defining the primary key. Okay, so like this we can make this B and C multiple attributes as a primary key. Now अभी मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले आपको. अभी इस टेबल में कितना प्राइमरी कीज है? So anybody can say that. कितना प्राइमरी कीज है? अभी मैंने बी सी को प्राइमरी की बनाया. ओके, सो अभी कितना प्राइमरी कीज है? इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. टू ट्रू प्राइमरी कीज. either one primary key or 2 primary keys. Please let me know the with how many number of primary keys. 2. Any other?
Sir, one primary key and another is foreign key.
Okay, इसमें फॉरेन की कौन सा है, प्राइमरी की कौन सा है?
Sir, B will be primary key.
Okay. See. So please all of your attention. It is very important point we need to discuss here, which is not available in anywhere else. Okay, so please all of your attention. If you know, please let discuss here so that everybody can understand. So if anybody, okay, it is very good. Somewhat you tried, but a little bit change is there. Okay, so anybody, if you know that, so how many primary keys are there in this query right now, in this table?
4.
4 primary keys. Okay, or so okay, I will tell you. Okay, so just so you remember this point. Okay, it is very important. In the even interviews also they will raise this particular point. If you take any table, it contains only one primary key. Okay, understand this. First you understand any table. Okay, if you take any table, it contains only one primary key. बट हम इधर देखा तो बी सी एट्रीब्यूट्स हम लिया है, 2 लिया तो 2 एट्रीब्यूट्स को 2 प्राइमरी की बन होता है क्या? नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं है. मैं पहले ही बोला है, की मीन्स either a single value or maybe some set of values which will makes a unique, which will makes a unique. Okay, for example, name Leah, date of birth Leah, or maybe age Leah. Okay, so in that case, just name and date of birth, we combinedly we can make it as a primary key. But individually, name is not a primary key, or age is not a primary key. Okay, so just I will explain one example here. Okay, just we will see this. Okay, because everybody have to know this. So I just for this seeking this, I would like to take D as a one more attribute. Okay, and we will complete this query first. Okay, so you see this in this table A, B, C, D, B and D combinedly I am taken as a primary key. Okay, so now it is only one primary key रहता है. Okay, foreign keys नहीं है इसमें अभी. Foreign key is not at all available here. Okay, so foreign key हम create नहीं किया. Okay, B and D combinedly we are taking as a primary key. Okay, so ID we can say it as a ID for the table. ID मतलब क्या है? ID मतलब क्या है? ID is nothing but some particular value which makes entire table as unique. Okay, so पूरा टेबल में यूनिक वैल्यूज किधर मिलता है उसको हम आईडी बना सकते हैं. So like this, so if you combined two attributes so that we can make as a unique values, if you get unique values then we can make it as a primary key. So okay, so we can see that by using some examples so we can understand. So, okay, let us complete this query. So table level प्राइमरी की हम अगर सेट करना है तो ऐसे हम सिंटैक्स से हम करना पड़ता है. सारे एट्रीब्यूट्स को डिफाइन करने के बाद कामा लगाने के बाद प्राइमरी स्पेस की स्पेस इन ब्रैकेट लिस्ट ऑफ एट्रीब्यूट्स देना पड़ता है. सो देन दिस बी डी कंबाइंडली वी आर मेकिंग एज अ primary key. Okay, so now query is executed. Now we see this description of this table A, B, C. So it is very important. Primary key एक ही रहता है. But if you see this B, okay, attribute and D attribute primary आया. मतलब इसमें ऐसे नहीं है दो primary keys है, ऐसे नहीं. Meaning क्या है? B and D combinedly it is a primary key. So मतलब क्या है? For example, let us insert some data so that you can understand what it is exactly. Okay. So suppose I want to insert some more data. Insert into table is A, B, C, and values are okay. So let us take A is defined as integer, so I can give 1 and put a comma, and B is character defined, so that I need to enter some text. So and close this text and put a comma. Date is need to define as like this. First year डालना पड़ता है. So 1990 and dash and month it is 8 dash 16 and put close the double quotation and put a comma. Okay, where is comma? Put a comma and D को मैं एक वैल्यू दे रहा है some 3. Okay, let us take some value. Okay, just insert this. What is that syntax? Okay, spelling mistake. Yes. Values spelling mistake. Okay, so once again we have to type this. And roll number is 1 and comma double quotation something AA, close the double quotation, put a comma once again, and the date it is 2020 dash 2 dash 20, close and comma, and some number I am going to, it is 4. And remember this, at the end of each at the end of the each line you have to use semicolon. So now the data is inserted, and one more data we also insert like this. Now just you see that column B is individually, we are not making B as primary key. So like this, suppose if I change the value for the D column, so it will insert. Okay, let us take. You see that column B value क्या है? A है. Column B क्या है? A. So A is repeated or not? It is repeated. Okay, but as for suppose if it is individually B is a primary key, so this particular value A is not supposed to accept, but it is accepted. कैसे? So because B attribute individually, singly, it is not a primary key. Let us take some more value. Okay, हम दूसरा कुछ value enter करके देखेंगे. Suppose मैं इधर पहले 4 दिया ना, so 4 डालेंगे. Okay, but ये इधर दूसरा value डाल देंगे. So let us enter some value B and some date we can enter like this. So many date you can enter 2022 3 and the comma. Let us repeat the column D. Okay, column D value repeat करेंगे. Okay, let us take. Yes, this is also inserted. Now let us see the stable values once again, so that you can understand clearly what how many primary keys are there in the table, and how many keys attributes are defined as a primary key. Okay, select a star from A, B, C table. Okay, so please, it is very very important. You see this data. First record में ये column, B column में ये value है. Okay, so D value is 4, and second record में क्या है? B value is repeated. But even though this value is repeated, but D is changed. Okay, means combinedly if you see that value along with B and D दोनों combined करके देखा तो ये 4, that is the value. Okay, because B and D combinedly we made as a primary key, so that the system will treat this B value as well as the D value combinedly both they will check as a primary key. So if you combine these two values, A is B column is contains A and D column is contains 4. So A 4, this value combinedly it is a primary key value. Okay, now you see the second record में क्या है? A, even though A is repeated, but D value is changed. So that the now primary key value क्या है? ये 5 हो गया. ये 5 हो गया. So that the value is changed. अगर दोनों combinedly देखा तो B value, D value combinedly देखा तो change हो गया ना. So ये 4 हो गया पहले. अभी क्या हो गया? ये 5 हो गया. So combinedly it is different value. It is different value. So and similarly if you see that first record and last record same, A 4, B 4. So even the D value is repeated, but the B value is not repeated. Okay, so so it is changed. So like this, the combinedly B and D we made as a primary key. So in that case, so it will checks the both values, both B value and D value, both values it checks whether both values are repeated or not. Okay, that checks. So let us take let us enter one more value, so which is getting repeat. Okay, B value repeated and B case दिया. Suppose let us take some A. Okay, some A and okay, same command हम use करेंगे. Okay, let us see that B A 5. Okay, same value I am going to inserting, but now these two will not enter at all. You see that the error आप ठीक से पढ़ाई करो. आपको पता चल जाएगा. So what is saying that a dash 5, okay, a and 5, these combinedly two values together, it is repeating in the table. These two are repeating in the table, so that is call it as a primary key. Okay, this is the one primary key is there. The system में कितना primary keys है? Only one primary key है. So but ये primary key हम कैसे define किया? सिर्फ दो attributes लेके हम define किया. So whenever the two values are entering in that table, the system will always checks the two values. So B column value and D column value both combinedly repeating हो रहा है क्या, ये देखता है. Okay, so individually repeative हुआ तो चलेगा. Okay, so B column में repeat हो रहा है, but it is accepted. D column may be repeated individually or it is also accepted, but combinedly when the B and D columns values are get repeating, in that case these values will not enter into the system, because B column and D column we combinedly we made as a one single key for the table ABC. Okay, so like this, so the primary keys will be create at attribute level, the individual level, and also the primary keys will also be set for the so table level. Domain, this is called the so relational level. Right? So means at more than one attribute also we can make as a primary key. Okay, so I think everybody understand this primary key concept. Still anybody have the doubts, please ask me right now. So because very very important concepts है ये सब कुछ, ये छोटा छोटा डाउट्स अगर रहेगा ना तो क्लियर समझता नहीं है. इसमें इंटरव्यूज में ये इतना डेप्थ क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाले आपको ऐसे. So that's why I am taking very slowly, just for understanding purpose. Okay, so time is not important. Okay, हम अगर चाहिए तो extra time भी ले सकते हैं, but knowledge, correct knowledge, it is important. Okay, so please ask me right now if anybody have the doubts, so that we will conclude today's lecture. Okay, and next class we will see alter command. Okay, because alter command it is in pending. So in the next class we will see that alteration command, how to add column, how to delete column, how to modify the domain. Okay, and also how to drop a primary key. अगर हम primary key set किया है तो उसको हम कैसे drop कर सकते हैं. हाँ, कैसे हम नया प्राइमरी की अगर टेबल क्रिएट करने के टाइम में दे रहा है अभी, बट हम क्रिएट करने के बाद प्राइमरी की कैसे कर सकता है. ओके, वो सब कुछ हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखेंगे. अभी किसी का अगर कुछ डाउट्स रहेगा तो अभी आप पूछ सकते हैं. प्लीज आस्क मी द डाउट्स रिगार्डिंग द प्राइमरी कीज. सबको समझ आया क्या? विशाल?
हाँ सर, समझ गया.
Yes, are you understand right now what is, how many keys are there?
One primary key.
Yes, only one primary key. फॉरेन कीज कुछ भी नहीं है. हम फॉरेन की कॉन्सेप्ट अभी लगाए नहीं. फॉरेन की हम देखेंगे बाद में. ओके, so still anybody, how many keys are there? Only one key. Yes, one key. Any doubts? Any other doubts? Students, please ask me right now.
No sir.
Okay. So all of you understanding the concepts?
Yes sir.
And बेटा आपको मैं एक इंस्ट्रक्शन देने वाले हैं. आप ऐसे बैठ के सुना है ना तो कुछ भी ये समझता नहीं है. तो आप प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस किया ना एक बार तो आपको कंप्लीट क्लैरिटी आ जाता है कमांड्स के ऊपर, कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर. अगर आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया ना, सिर्फ ऐसे सुन के है ना तो भूल जाएगा, बाद में आपको याद भी नहीं रहता. तो जैसे आप क्लास हो गया लगे से आपको अगर प्रैक्टिस किया ना एक बार तो आपको लाइफ टाइम याद रहता है. ओके, सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट concept. Okay, so if you don't have the doubts now, you can leave the class and take the break. So otherwise, I will be there for just for 5 minutes. If anybody have the doubts, so you can ask. I will be there for 5 minutes.